antigen test kits for COVID-19 detect the antigen virus to quickly screen and find the suspected infected people. Antigen test kits are widely used because they are fast and easy to perform and can be used by end consumers directly without healthcare providers' support. COVID-19 Antigen Test Kits production line includes working table for assembly shelly and testing chips, conveyor line for transferring raw materials, conveyor line for semi-finished products, shell pressing machine, conveyor line for inspection, controller system, and other parts. The conveyor line of materials does improve efficiency and save labor costs. It adopts flexible circulation system, which has low noise and are easy to operate and maintain. The conveyor line is small and stable thanks to a specially designed drive trim consisting of standardized and interconnected chain plates made of special materials. It is driven by frequency conversion motor, and the speed can be adjusted according to the speed of feeding. On the conveyor line, the upper cover, lower cover, and testing chip of the test kit are placed in baskets of different colors, which are easy to identify. The height of the conveyor line can also be adjusted according to the height of the workers. Combining the assembly process and shell pressing process of the test kits has improved work efficiency, reduced labor costs and improved product quality greatly. The flexible conveyor line adopts specially made drive and transmission device. The antigen test has not been widely adopted until the outbreak of COVID-19. Most of the companies that produce antigen test kits are using manual methods and large amounts of labor to assemble, only getting low production efficiency and unstable product quality.